In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age on TikTok. You need to follow my steps carefully so you don't make any mistakes. If we go to the TikTok settings on our profile, we won't have any birthday options right here. TikTok doesn't have the option because maybe they don't want us to change our birth date, so we have to use another method. We need to go open TikTok on our device, and then click on the little profile icon in the bottom left to go to your profile. The next step that you have to do is to click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, then Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see a report, a problem option, and then under the topic section, you need to click on Account and Profile. Now you need to open the Editing Profile section right here, and now click on Other, since we don't have a birthday option in here. Now go to the very bottom and select the Need More Help option. And now we have to write the feedback to the TikTok team. What you need to do is to write something like I am doing right here. So write that. You have to change your birth date because your current one is incorrect, and tell them that you can provide your ID card if necessary. Don't upload your ID card right now, but only if they ask you to do so. Submit your report, and they will contact you within a day or two and help you with updating and changing your age on TikTok.